In this video, we're going to be looking at the best small automatic used cars you can buy. The great thing about small automatic cars is that they're super easy to drive. There's no clutch or gears to worry about, and that makes them perfect for people who drive around the city on a regular basis. And there's another great thing, because they're small cars, they're straightforward to park in tight spaces. Question is though, which are the best ones to go for? These are our top picks. It was always going to make an appearance, wasn't it? But firstly, we have the Ford Fiesta, which has been one of Britain's best-selling cars for over a decade. It's easy to recommend a Fiesta to anyone because of how fun they are to drive and how affordable they are to run. If you want an automatic Fiesta, then you can only have it with Ford's award-winning EcoBoost petrol engine. It may only be a 1 litre, but this peppy unit provides just under 100 brake horsepower and will return over 55 miles per gallon with mixed driving. We like the fact that Ford offers plenty of flexibility with an automatic gearbox fitted to the Fiesta. You can have either full automatic mode, a sport automatic mode, or can select the gears manually. It's completely up to you. The second car we've picked is from Volkswagen, who make some of the best automatic gearboxes on the market, period. The DSG gearbox fitted to the Polo is no exception. It has 7 gears and provides smooth shifts, making the Polo feel more grown up than it actually is. Unlike the Fiesta, you aren't restricted on engine choice when you go for an auto. Case in point, models fitted with a 1.2 or a 1.4 litre petrol engine can be had with the DSG. Although, if you fancy something spicier, then you'll be glad to hear that the Polo GTI comes with DSG as standard. In summary, Volkswagen pitched the Polo as a sensible option for buyers looking for a small car, which is why it makes such a good all-rounder. Speaking of good all-rounders, that brings us on to our third pick, the Honda Jazz. Honda score high for reliability, so not only is the Jazz a good small car, it's less likely to give you a headache as it gets older. The CVT automatic transmission fitted to the Jazz is slightly different to the traditional gearbox you'd find in other cars, but it's smooth when driving and has the added benefit of being super quiet. The automatic version of the Jazz comes with a 1.3 petrol engine, which, whilst it isn't the fastest car we've picked, it does return over 50 miles per gallon without too much effort. Thanks for watching this video so far. If you're enjoying it, then make sure to give it a like and also subscribe to our channel to see other videos like this. You may know this already, but all electric cars are automatic, and that's because they don't have a gearbox and therefore don't need to change gears like traditional cars do. That's where the Renault Zoe comes in. It's an all-electric super mini that's cheap to charge, and yet it has a range of between 130 and 240 miles depending on the car's age. If you're put off by the charging, you'll be glad to know that older versions of the Zoe only take around 4 hours to charge when using a wall box charger. Newer versions take over 8 hours by comparison, but you get more range out of it, so it balances out. A used Zoe represents great value for money at the moment, so it's easy to recommend one if you want a small automatic car that's super eco-friendly. That brings us onto our final car, which benefits from hybrid technology as well as marks high for reliability. I'm of course talking about the Toyota Yaris. Toyota first introduced the Yaris hybrid to the UK in 2012, and since then it's become a favourite among motorists wanting a cheap hybrid car. The combination of a 1.5 litre petrol engine and hybrid technology makes the Yaris plenty quick enough for commuting, yet it still provides around 65 miles per gallon in real-world driving. Toyota fit the Yaris with CVT automatic transmission, which, as previously mentioned, operates differently to a traditional gearbox. In reality though, it's easy to get used to and offers a more refined drive. So there you have it, 5 great small automatic used cars that are affordable to buy and run. Tell us what you think of our choices in the comment section below and let us know which car you'd have. Also, if you've enjoyed this video, please feel free to press like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.